So, Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ali Murtaza from Bachelor of Studies, 8th semester, Department of English. So, today I'm going to explain you people the conditional sentences with its two types. So, starting with the conditional sentences, we see that there are two words, conditional and sentences. If I just talk about the sentence, so a sentence is a group of words which gives you a complete meaning, and there is conditional. It indicates that there is some sort of indication in the there is some sort of indication of a condition in a sentence. So the basic definition of conditional sentences is these are the statements discussing known factors or hypothetical situations and their consequences. How many things are there? It is discussing the known factors, first thing, or the hypothetical situations, and the third thing is their consequences or the results. How and why we use the conditional sentence? What is the purpose? So we use them to say that one thing depends on something else. This is the main usage of a conditional sentence. So if I talk about the types of conditional sentence, so there are five general types of a conditional sentence. The first is zero, then first, then second and third condition, and the last one is the mixed condition. So the formula, how we form the conditional sentence. We see here condition, if clause. We are using clauses in the conditional sentence. So there are two parts. We are using if with the first condition clause, in which we indicates a condition, and then the result clause, which is also known as the main clause. And when we write these two clauses, so after the if clause we use a comma, then we write the result clause. So now zero conditionals. We are today just talk about the two types of condition, that is zero and first condition. Okay, so zero conditionals, we use present tense in both the clauses. Okay, remember that we use present tense in both the clauses and used to talk about something true. It is used to talk about something true or generally true. It signifies that both actions are typical and possible. It means that the surety is 100%. Form. How we form this? First of all, the condition clause. So we are using if, then simple present. As I said that we are using the present tense in the both. So simple present, then comma, and again simple present. Example. If it rains. Now if indicates the conditional clause. If it rains, I take an umbrella with me to work. So this indicates the general possibility, the 100% possibility. So now I'm going to rewrite two sentences, okay, with the help of these cues. So if you freeze water, it becomes solid. If you freeze water, it becomes solid. Both the clauses are in present form. Now the second one is You heat ice, melt it. So if you heat ice, it melts. Okay, these were the zero conditionals. Now we are moving to the first conditionals. So the first conditionals use the present tense in the if clause. Remember that the first conditionals use the present tense in the if clause and the future tense in the result clause. Now see, we see that the possibility decreases in first conditionals, like from 100 in the first conditionals the possibility or the probability is around about 60% or the 70%. This form is used. Now what is the uses of first conditional? This form is used to talk about something that is probable in the future result of a condition. So it indicates that there is a probability, okay, something that is peradventure. Form the same if in the conditional clause plus the simple present as per the definition, and comma, then will plus base verb. Base verb means the simplest form of verb. Example: if I see you later, I will say hello. So there is possibility. If I see you later, I will say hello. Now there are two sentences. We will use these cues to complete them. If you do not study. Now here the sentence is in negative form. You see the clue, there is not. It indicates the negative part. So I'm using the auxiliary do, that is with the present tense. Then you in the result clause, you will fail the test. Second one is if I dash study, I dash pass the exam. If I study, it remains the same. I will pass the exam. So I hope that you have better understood the zero conditionals, the first conditionals. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Thank you.